So we just finished up doing this Cyclone truck. So this housing I pre-built for this truck, 100% to our specs. I think it's a 52-inch wheel mount surface. I'd have to double check, but it matches what was already on the truck. The hop-up kit went on it flawlessly. This one's even all powder coated, looking fantastic. We totally dodged this radiator, which is incredible. We didn't plan that, but yeah, that worked. I made these little round brackets. Of course, it's a giant shadow, but it turns out that the spring and stuff is all the same. It has that goofy hole right there. So I was gonna see if I can't make a template from that and see if I can't make something work for these 4-wheel drive style trucks, but everything else is exactly the same. Fits on there perfect. Got the brake line tabs on there. Got the pretty powder coat. Got it all dialed in. So yeah, it's an awesome install. It's cool to do an install from end to end on your own stuff, and it fit and worked so well. So shout out to Quick Performance, like always. These guys blasted out a gear case for me and a set of axles and lightning speed. I know normally gear cases can be a while with those guys, but man, they knocked it out of the park. So yeah, this thing looks killer. A 10 out of 10 recommend this powder coat color. So you can see all the through bolts. It's just super dialed in. Upgraded him to the 1/2-inch holes, get a little more adjustment. Yeah, this thing broke the drive shaft and caused all kinds of problems. So, all right, well, there's our update for Monday. I'll go ahead and check in with you guys tomorrow, see what happens.